Broken or missing plumber's putty seal under your sink strainer can cause leaks that drive you nuts and damage your cabinets. So, here's the deal. First, you gotta clear out the old putty if it's cracked or gone. Don't just slap new stuff on top. When you roll out the plumber's putty, make it about the size of a small walnut and roll it into a snake shape so it fits snug under the strainer flange. Press the putty firmly around the drain opening before putting the strainer back in place. Tighten the strainer nut just enough to squeeze out a little putty all around, but don't go crazy or you'll squish it out completely. Wipe away any extra putty that squeezes out with a ragexa. Leaving it there looks messy and can cause clogs. Let it sit for a bit to set before running water. Usually 5 to 10 minutes is good. After that, check for leaks by running the faucet and looking underneath. If you see drips, tighten the nut slightly more or add a bit more putty next time. Remember, plumber's putty is great for sealing, but it isn't meant for plastic drains, so double check your sink type before using it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with plumber's putty seal under sink strainers is not removing the old putty properly, which leads to a weak seal and leaks. Fix this by scraping off every bit of old putty before starting fresh. Another common problem is over-tightening the strainer nut. This can squish out all the putty and cause gaps, so just tighten it until you see some putty squeeze out, then stop. Lastly, using plumber's putty on plastic drains is a no-go because it won't seal properly and can even stain plastic surfaces. Opt for a silicone-based sealant in those cases for a leak-proof fix. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who need a hand-finding trusted local contractors who actually get the job done right. Contractors get connected with real clients looking for help, making it easier for everyone to get their home projects sorted with less hassle.